Welcome to the Rare Cooking Show. Today we're going to be making a recipe not just for ourselves, but for some of the bird life in our area. This is the Easy Breezy Bird Feeder, and it's with ingredients that you can probably find around your own house. It's a recipe that's cheap, easy to make, and it'll totally increase the amount of birds flying around your backyard that you can watch this winter. The ingredients are simple. You'll need a few toilet paper rolls. If you don't have any of these, I don't know what to tell you. Just wait a day or two and you'll probably have one or two of them in your house. You're going to need a little bit of shortening, and that's going to help the seeds stick to the toilet paper roll. You're also going to need a little bit of bird seed. This you can find at any bulk food store or outdoor center near you. And the last ingredient you're going to need is some string to tie it all together. Now, just warning you, this recipe is definitely a little bit messy, so be dressed for mess and hope for the best. Let's get going. To begin this recipe, grab 1 scoop of birdseed and pour it out over a flat plate. Make sure to spread it out nice and even, and then move the plate to the side. Now's the messy part. We're going to grab the toilet paper roll and the shortening, and get ready to get messy. By holding the toilet paper roll from the inside, you can spin it around as you add more shortening to it. Make sure to cover all sides and get a nice even coating. Once you've got a good even layer, move the shortening to the side and bring back your plate of birdseed from earlier. Now, simply just move your toilet paper roll over the plate until it picks up as much birdseed as it can. Once you've got it fully covered, make sure to stand it up on the end and shake off the extra. We've only got one more step now, but let's take a little break to wash our hands here. Once you're all cleaned up, grab the string from earlier and make sure you grab maybe 2 to 3 feet. Run your string through the toilet paper roll, and this will help to suspend your bird feeder when you hang it outside. Next, just head outside and find a place to hang it. This could be anywhere in your yard or neighborhood, as long as there's a branch or nail or fence somewhere you can hang it up so it's off the ground. And all that's left to do now is sit back and watch as the birds enjoy it. It might take a few days before they feel comfortable enough to come explore your new feeder. On day 3, I had some black-capped chickadees come visit. I hope they had as much fun eating it as I had making it. When you notice the birds or maybe the squirrels have eaten all the seeds, no problem. Just remove your old feeder from the tree and make a new one.